Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Logo Design. Today I will show you how to design a monogram logo using the Shape Builder tool and the Line Segment tool. Make sure watch to the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. Let's get started. Select the Line Segment tool. Hold Shift and draw a line. Increase the stroke thickness. After that, select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Now I will generate automatically others copies by clicking Ctrl+D many times. After that, select all. And press Ctrl+C to copy, and press Ctrl+F to front paste. Hold Shift and rotate. Now select the Ellipse tool. Hold Shift and draw a circle from here. And intersect with this line. Now select this circle, and press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F. Hold Alt and Shift and intersect with this line. Like this. Do this in the same way. After that, select all. And go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. Now, click and drag to join this part. Join every small parts carefully. Hold the spacebar to activate the hand tool, so you can move the artboard. Join every small parts carefully. Perfect. After that, select this, and drag it out. Select these extra parts and press Delete. Now select this. And go to the Stroke panel. And increase the stroke thickness to around 20 pt. And go to the object. Expand. And click OK. Go to Pathfinder. And Compound. Okay, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.